Okay, so I did a full unboxing of this just a few short hours ago, and then I realized something happened and it's gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the things I got from the 2024 release. And this is actually my first time ever ordering um, the year specific stuff. I have not used my traveler's notebook historically as my planner. So this is the first year going through all of this. Everything in the past mostly was around the Hobonichi releases, which I didn't do this year, and I was a little sad about, but very excited about this. So first of all, as you guys probably know, if you are in the community, the theme this year is the Traveler's Town. And I just love these little illustrations. And it's just very much my sort of vibe, if you will. So this is what comes with some of the inserts. So I'll just start here. First of all, I, of course, ordered enough to get the free little elastic band thing. So that's cute, and I'm sure I'll find a place for it. I ordered the 2024 weekly memo, and so it comes in two parts, the first half of the year and the second. I like the blue covers, definitely will decorate them, but I do like them. And I'm just, I think the quality of the notebooks is great in terms of the construction of them and the sewn binding and all of that. And of course, I like the paper. I just really don't like cream colored paper. So right now I'm debating getting something from one of the other makers out there that make TN size. I've been looking at Paper Tests. I think it's Paper Test Designs or something. I really like her stuff, but I also just don't want to go overboard and buy stuff that I don't need. So I have this, and I probably will use this, and certainly I'll use it for something. But this may or may not be what I end up going with for 2024. So this is what came with that and some stickers, which I'll show you. I've already kind of put things in different piles. Here's the little clear folder, passport size. And I love this. I love the color of it. I love, again, the illustration. I could not get the folder for the bigger one. They did not have it in stock. So I put in a Yoseka stationery order, and I should be getting that this week with that. And of course, a bunch of other stuff that I just ordered because I was putting in an order. So I have another guide that came with this guy, which is the yearly, excuse me, the monthly for the year. So this is one notebook that has all of the months. And again, in theory, I like this and it works just fine. It's working fine for me in the undated version I'm using right now. But I wish that this was not here. I don't absolutely love it, although I did see someone recently have a use for these, so I might look back at that and see if there's something I can do with it. But again, may or may not be what I end up using, but I did get it. So I have that. I got the writing board. I always like to get these. I find them to be very useful, and I actually might order another one and put a pen loop on it. So this one came with these stickers. Welcome to Traveler's Town. When you're alone, you can always go to Traveler's Town, which of course I want to sing the song downtown when I am reading some of the quotes around here. So this little thing here came with the passport size of the monthly. I did not have a use for this when I ordered it. I kind of just thought like, oh, I'll get it and see what I could use it for. I am not 100% sure yet. It's clearly, meant for for the passport size. So if whatever I use this for, it's either going to go in my wallet, which I'm about to set up and film a video on, passport notebook wallet that I'm creating, or it's going to go in my coffee a notebook where I maybe will put the days that I went and journaled or worked at a coffee shop. That's something I really like to do, and I find it to be very, very productive because I work remotely. So when I go work at a coffee shop, I find I get sort of the novelty of it just helps me be more productive. So this came with this and these cute little stickers here. Okay, so I got the sticker pack. It comes with these, which I didn't realize are actually rub-ons, so that's cool. These stickers here, which are super fun and have like gold foiling on them, which I love. These circular dot stickers, I'm excited to figure out a way to use those, or sort of the purpose of them. These little icons are super cute. And then the larger tabs up here, these stickers are meant for the standard size, and then these smaller ones down here are meant for the passport size. So I might actually buy another pack of the stickers. We'll see. And then I didn't think I would have a use for these, but then I used a couple of the clear regular ones that in my journal, and I put like little flower petals in there that my kids had given me, and now I'm really liking them. So I don't know. I will see what I use them for. I might stick it on the inside of one of the notebook covers and put a stencil or something in there. So these are super practical, and I forget how much it is, but I think it's a pretty decent price for the amount of stuff you're getting. I recall it not being that outrageous. And then finally, while I was putting in the order, I got a couple extra things. So I got one of these, and I don't even know if I'll use it for its intended purpose, but I probably will take the pages out and use it for something as a cover, just because the cover itself is so cute. And then I got two more of the accordions, which if you've watched any of my videos, you'll know that I've been using these accordions like crazy lately for little travel art journals, and I'm just loving this format so much. I do intend to make some of my own to use a paper that I prefer, but they are just so easy and they're reasonably priced. So I just figured I'd pick up two more and have those ready to go. And then finally, I got one of these. Probably should get a couple more. The zipper cases. It just seems like when I'm trying to put together a like a weekend or trip specific traveler's notebook, I would prefer to just be able to like pull the current setup out and put a new setup together rather than have to disassemble everything. So I just want to have a couple of these extra sort of lying around. So that is it. I'm really happy with all of the things. I love the I love the theme. I think it's super cute, and I love the colorways so far. So not so much the orange as much, but I love the blues. So the oranges, I will probably end up um, covering these in fabric. That's something I like to do for a couple of reasons. First of all, I always have pretty fabric laying around, but secondly, I just love the feel of it. I think it's just so tactile and something you want to like, touch. So probably we'll cover those up and make it something that kind of goes better with the blue. So anyways, I would love to know what you guys got. Are you a standard size planner? Are you a passport size planner? Tell me in the comments below. And if you made it this far, why don't you go ahead and drop a let's go with a peace sign emoji down in the comments. And thank you guys so much. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, please take a minute to do that. And I will be looking out to see what you guys are doing with your planners for 2024.